A world of options. Millions of preferences. And every connection brings more value. Until now, you've only seen a fraction of it. Introducing Sabre Red 360. It's time for a 360 view of travel booking. It's your turn to experience the full spectrum of what's possible. This is where agencies, providers, options, and preferences meet. Start with a new intuitive design that's easy to master. Get up to 250 results per search, delivered in graphical format. Or choose Classic Blue Screen for added command. Access rich API content for unique experiences. And get 2 times the productivity in weeks, not months. It's the workflow with more selling opportunities. You'll know more about travelers and what they prefer. You'll give them a better look at where they're going. And you'll match people to the travel they want. Sabre Red 360 brings you more productivity, more content, more customization, more personalization, more everything. Get the most complete view of travel. Discover Sabre Red 360. Here's what people are saying. The ramp-up time is a fraction of what it was. This is a revolutionary upgrade. It's been exciting to see how Sabre has evolved Red Workspace.